Monira Mosa, Tampokelirani. My name is Lauren Masia Mponera. On this channel, I support you to learn Chitumbuka language. Chitumbuka is spoken in Malawi and other neighboring countries like Zambia, Zimbabwe, Congo, Tanzania, and places like that. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. In this video, I'm going to really spoil you about um my own information, basically. So, who am I is what it is called. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so who am I? Ndine njani? Kandine njani ine? Ndine njani ine? Ndine means I. Njani, who? So, ndine njani. If I'm rushing you in this video, it's because my housemates are waiting for me. We play games in the evenings, so and I'm taking that time to be here with you guys. So yeah, mother-in-law, Mama Viara. So ndine Mama Viara. I have a daughter-in-law, so she calls me the Mama Viara, meaning my mother-in-law. Mama Viara. Ndine Mama Viara wake. I'm her mother-in-law, Mama Viara. But Mama Viara, so Mama Viara is someone you respect so much. So I get all the respect that I deserve. Oh God, please don't judge me. Don't judge me. It's our culture. So yeah, we respect mother-in-laws. And I love her so much. She has given us grandchildren. She has given us children. I love her so much. Father-in-law, Tata Viera. So, but in my case, so Tata is the father. It's just like mama, mother. In-law, Tata Viera, Mama Viera. Single mother. Ndindatoleki yayi. Okay, yes. Ine ndindatoleki yayi. So ndindatoleki yayi means I'm not married. So single mother, mostly people say oh karaeka means she lives alone, but it means single mother. Kutoleka means married. So nindatoleka it means I'm just saying no, I'm not married. Education, masambiro. So masambiro yani ngashita masambiro, my education. Okay, yes, I did a degree. My degree ni masambiro ya pachanya. So masambiro just means education, right? Pachanya means higher. So usually when people are going to university, we just say vaya kusambira masambiro ya pachanya, you know that they've gone to university. Ya pachanya is higher, just like a higher education, right? Masambiro ya pachanya. So I have a degree from University of Malawi in environmental health. Ndio masambiro yani ya pachanya hayo. But of course, I also did master's degree in public health at University of Leeds way back, over 20 years now. Yeah. No, will be 20 years in 20 years in 2 years. Yeah, because that was 2008. We are in 2026. So in 2 years' time, I'll be saying 20 years ago, I did master's. Wow, how time travels, eh? How time flies, eh? Traveled in Denda. So one of the things I love to do is to travel. I've been to several countries. The first country I visited, um, like my first time to go outside Malawi was I went to Japan. I've also been to Kenya. I've been to South Africa. I've been to Switzerland. And now I'm here in UK. So yeah, I did love traveling a lot, but at the moment I'm sort of grounded because I was living a dormant life for some time, for a long time, 7 years. But now it's something that I do want to start again, but I don't have the same energy like I had in 2008. Or 2005 or even before that. Okay. So foreign countries. Ndenda vyaru vya kuwaru. Vyaru vya kuwaru means out Kuwaru is outside countries, vyalo, but yeah, we are talking about foreign countries. Vyalo vya Kuwaru, ndenda vyalo vya Kuwaru. Activism, kulimbikisha maufuru ya bantu. So yes, I am an activist. I became an activist by accident, I guess. But of course, I know that I must have learned the activism from my ancestors, my mom, my grandmother, and stuff like that. So uh, myself, I started activism actively here when I felt like my life was being wasted and I felt stuck and I couldn't see the loop ending at all. So that's how I started speaking up for myself. So I'm activist, and that's also what I get paid for. That's my day job. I am an activist. Defenders, although my background is environmental health and public health. Defenders, kuteteja. So yeah, some people talk about human rights defenders, human rights activists, human rights that, but I use activist or campaigner, human rights, migrants' rights campaigner. Lifelong learner. Oh my God. Gutemwa kusambira. This is my favorite. I'll make even a separate standalone video to talk about my life learning kind of things I do. So gutemwa kusambira. So kusambira through mabuku, kusambira through my courses, kusambira through my YouTube videos yabantu, watching them, kusambira through mentors and coaches. So in that one, I can comfortably say I'm abundant in that one. I live an abundant life. Well, I mean, yeah, because I'm a reader. I read, I write, I learn, I practice, I reflect, you name it. Talking about reading, there's no book that I haven't read. I don't even know where to start from because I have everything. I just don't want to start with the wrong books and then you start saying probably that's what she believes in most. No, I don't. Okay, so this one is Catherine Ponda, Dare to Prosper. This one I was given by a friend of mine. She's now in a care home, not a care home, supported living. That's a few years back. It really helped me to think in terms of like richness and that Dare to Prosper. She uses her faith really. And so there is no book that I do not have. Of course, like I said, we will make a we even have Donald Trump. Did I not say Donald Trump somewhere? Not not that not that I like Donald Trump. Of course, uh, you read and you make a opinion yourself. Recently, I've added the novels. I first came across Brian Chikava when I was at the Kent University. There was a conference, and then academics were analyzing his work. And so I loved it because when they were analyzing it, I was like, oh my God, that book is talking about me, because he talks about an asylum seeker who arrived in UK and da 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 da, da, but it's fiction, they say. So I fell in love with the book. And then recently I was at, I think which university was it? Loughborough University. I met a friend to Brian Chikava, who he was also, had these books on his table. And I was like, what? I'm gonna get the book. So this one is as brilliant as it is, but we can always make another video to talk about books. If this is something that you would want to know about, for example, I could do videos around one lesson from one book, for example, or lessons from which I learned from this book. So I have, this is Oprah Winfrey, because it's white in color. It can't show properly. From old entrepreneurs to even current ones like this one, Daniel Priest, Priestley or something. So let me not, honestly, there's no book that I don't have. But anyway, I didn't take my screen off, so I don't even think you are able to see the books I was showing. But yeah, just let me know in the description below if that's what you would be interested in, because I read a lot and I make it my own notes. So if you say, okay, yeah, tell us more about da 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 da, whichever book, I'll just pull my notes, because I said I write a lot, I read a lot, I can just pick the lessons that I drew from that particular book and share. But yeah, if that's what you want. So yes, kuwerenga mabuku ganandi, but I'm also an author. I'm flooding people's books without, let me stop share for just a second, because this is now serious business. This was my first book. I think my name is somewhere. I was not born a sad poet. Then sad poet came in 2022. This came in 2024. Now I sing 20, 50, 50 poems for 50 years of my life. Okay, let me go back to share screen. One sec. Okay, so yes, I read books, nkulemba mabuku, I'm a writer, nkulemba, lecturer, vasambiji, vakukoreji. So I used to be a lecturer. I was teaching at Malawi College of Health Sciences, and I was there between 2003 to 2008. I left because I had for further studies when I came to the UK. I'm also a public speaker, kumanya kuyoya pagulu. Public speaking, kumanya kuyoya pagulu. Lecturer, Vasambiji. Vasambiji is a teacher, but when we add work college, college is English, borrowed. We are saying teacher of the college, or something like that. Vasambiji, wa college. Vasambiji wa college. But I'm also a Christian. Tiliwa Krisitu. Tawatumbuka, tiliwa Krisitu. Kristu is just a borrowed word from Christian Krisitu. I'm also, in some circles, I'm considered as a leader because I was a chairperson for a local community group for some time. So some people still regard me as a community leader. And yes, I am. I'm also a comedian, but this one I'm saying shush, 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 shh. Don't say it. So this Sunday on the 9th, as part of International Women's Day, we will have comedy where I'm also taking part in Birmingham. Okay? Kusekesha bantu. Zituzo. Kusekesha bantu meaning making people laugh. Zituzo. Comediani. Upanga visuzo. Or visuzo. Kusekesha bantu. Okay? Comedians are not taken seriously in Malawi at all. You just feel like, he's a comedian. Don't mind him. He's a comedian, so but when I came here, I saw that actually comedians are comedians. Okay, forward. So my book yala, the books I showed you, they are poetry books. Obviously, this year the third book is coming out. We don't know the date yet, but I've just started working with the editor, so it's getting exciting. So poetry, omanya vyolemba or mlakatuli. Mlakatuli is common. When they say mlakatuli, they are talking about a poet. Omanya vyolemba means someone who knows writing, knows or likes to write. Storyteller kudumba nkhani. Nkuchitaso hivi. I'm someone who is striving to be a storyteller, basically. I've been learning about storytelling a lot. I mean a lot, including working with one-to-one coaches about storytelling. So that's my thing. Mentor, kovila banyaki, kubalongoja, or What did I write here? Mlongozai? No, no, no. I can't read that one. It's on my own handwriting, but sorry. Mentwa kovwira banyake. Okay. Pobalongoja. Mlongoji. Okay, so it's ZGI, Mlongoji. Hey, Mlongoji na. Menta ni Mlongoji. Someone who is guiding us. It's like a guide. Kovwira banyake. Pobalongoja. Helping other people by guiding them. Award winner. Nkawina award. Okay, so ndine mentwa. Kusambija banyani. I support people who want to apply for scholarships, especially people from the global majority. Myself, all my education has been through scholarships. So I use the knowledge that I have to help other people to also access scholarships. I would not have been here speaking English and all of that if it wasn't for scholarships. So right from secondary school, when I was a dropout, I was able to get back to school because there was GABO, which was Girls Attainment for Basic Literacy Education, that was paying for everything. That's how school fees, uniforms, books, da. So my whole life really has been scholarships, scholarships, scholarships. This is why I even have a dedicated YouTube channel about scholarships. It's called Mentor Roland Imponera. So yeah, I'm a mentor. Award winner, winner my award, Pokera Chico. I've received several awards due to my community work, the leadership that we talked about. Yeah, so one of them was by Visa Finance Company. That one was is called Pioneer 20 Awards, which we were the first group to be given 20 women across Europe, women who are change makers in their communities. So some people nominated me and I was given the award, but I've also been given local awards, including the modern day Lady Godiva in Coventry. But unless you know the story, it's not funny. If you know the story, then you know what I'm talking about. Lady Godiva. Okay, facilitator. Ovira Vidumbirano. I've recently been trained as a facilitator, which is one of the things that I've always wanted to be. Coming from lecturer background, facilitation is something that I wanted to add to my credentials. Okay. So facilitator can also be wakwendesha or mulala. Kovira vidumbirano. Vidumbirano is discussions, helping with discussions. Kovira is helping. Hypnotherapist, I don't have the Chitumbuka word for it, but I'm training to be a hypnotherapist. I was supposed to complete this course in December, but I asked for extension. So I've been given up to April. Well, hopefully next time when I talk about a hypnotherapist, I'll be talking about, I've set up my own practice. Yeah, I like it. Student, mwana wa sukuru. I think because of hypnotherapy, maybe that's why I brought this one, because I'm not a student anymore, apart from these things that I do. Pew pew, vana wa school, za primary. Primary is primary school, right? Vana wa school. Singer, kuimba. I'm not a singer, but it's a dream. So I'm part of a local choir where I go every Saturday morning, which tomorrow I will also be going, tomorrow Saturday on the 7th of March 2026. But I can't sing. People say, hey, but because some of my poems have been translated into songs, but not just because of that. I started the group long ago. It's been years and I love singing. I usually stand at the back so that I can sing anyhow without anybody saying, oh, you are disturbing me or anything like that. So that's what I do. I can't sing, people believe, but of course, when I'm on my own, I can go as loud as I can, and I know how to hold my breath. But it's the differentiation that people make around your auto, your bass, your this. I don't even want to go into it. So thank you so much for being here. My housemates are waiting. I have to go now, please. All right. Yo, Naruta. Bye.